Okay. This is going to be my last attempt to do a freestyle. And whatever comes out right now, I'm posting. Hope I do something. Oh, God. Oh, God. This is going to suck so bad. Ah. All right. Yo. My name's Lamont. I got money. This shit ain't funny. I play niggas like a dummy. At the poker casino, you know. I got money cause I told you though. Yeah, but on to another subject. Fuck the public. I do what I fucking wanna do. Cause I'm my own fucking man, that's what I wanna do. If you don't like what I do, say you. Yo, I'ma bleep it for FB. Cause you know what? They fucks with me, so I fucks with them. And they fucks with them. Hey Ireland, you can fuck with him. He's from Africa, he's from Brazil, he's from Peru. Hey, how are you? I'm good. International love, yo, we need to keep that shit above, yo. He comes from heaven to down here, cause this look like it's hell down here. Yo, but one day we may ascend and be with him, or whoever entity it is, and we're done here. Hope I did something. I don't know.